In the heart of the Motor Valley in Modena, we integrate mechanics, electrotechnics, and hydraulics to manage water movement and distribution across all sectors. Since 1979, we have also operated in the fire protection industry, providing bespoke solutions with a wide range of pumping sets and our firebox and fireblock technical rooms. We listen closely to our customers' needs, transforming specific requirements into reliable technical solutions. Our history, led by the Alberghini family, continues to look toward the future, expanding our vision beyond national borders. Idroelettrica, your trusted fire safety partner.